Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting credentials and a sheet ready. First, create OAuth client credentials in Google Cloud and enable the Sheets API. This gives you client ID and secret. Once done, open N8n, add a Google Sheets credential, and paste client ID/secret. Make sure to set redirect URI exactly as shown in N8n. Finally, copy the Google Sheet ID and confirm the sheet name and header row index so N8n can map columns correctly. Now build the workflow. Start with a trigger, webhook for real-time, schedule for batch runs. This determines when data flows. Next, add the Google Sheets node and pick the operation you need: read, append, update, or clear. Choose the correct spreadsheet ID and sheet name. Then map incoming data to sheet columns using expressions or JSON. Set the exact range in A1 notation and the header row index. Test with sample data to validate mappings and column alignment. Finish by running the workflow and checking results in Google Sheets. Verify row order and cell formats. If authorization fails, reauthorize the credential in N8n or refresh the OAuth tokens. Make sure the redirect URI matches. For mismatched data, adjust header row index or range and use typecasts in expressions. One key troubleshooting tip: enable detailed node logging and rerun the failing execution. The node output shows request/response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.